So this problem is solving a radical equation that simplifies the quadratic equation, one radical advanced. So in these problems, we have to undo this radical and essentially make this into a quadratic equation. So what we're going to do first is square both sides. So this radical and this square will cancel, but if we square that side, we also have to square this side. So if we rewrite it, we have negative 3y plus 34 equals y minus 2 squared, which we're going to use FOILing. So we get y squared minus 4y plus 4. Alright, and now we have to combine like terms. So let's keep the y squared positive. So let's add over this side. So we're going to do plus 3y minus 34. So we'll get y squared minus y minus 30 equals 0. And from here, we're just going to use the ACB method or just the guess and check method. So I'll use the ACB. So we have A times C and B. So our A is 1, our C is negative 30, so we get negative 30 for our AC, and our B is negative 1. So now we'll go down the factors of 30, so negative 30 and 1, we got negative 15 and 2, got negative 10 and 3, we also got negative 6 and 5. And this one will be the only one that adds up to negative 1. So now we can break up that middle term. We get y squared minus 6y plus 5y minus 30. Now we'll just factor by grouping. So we'll pull out the y, and we get left over with y minus 6. And for the other one, we'll pull out a 5. We get left over with my y minus 6 again. And now we can combine these two, since these two binomials are the same. So now we have y plus 5 times y minus 6. Now, the next step in this is to check our values to see if they're valid. So, if we plug in, we get negative 5 from this one and a 6 from this one. If we plug in negative 5 here, we get 15 plus 34, which is 7. And then we get 7 over here. Wait a second. 29. Yeah, we get 7 on both sides, so this one's good. And if we plug in a 6, we get negative 18 plus 34, which is 16, so we get 4 and 4, so this one's good. So our two answers are y equals negative 5 and 6.